Giles from All You Need Superfoods, and we're going to make a really simple, quick and easy and delicious soup for you today. Yeah, a tomato soup. Let's see how fast we can do it. So we've got some onion going in the pan here. I have put some coconut oil in the pan and I'm going to fry up these onions. Nice organic onion. And what we're going to be doing is blending. Sorry if it's a bit windy on the old mic. We're going to be blending this tomato soup, so I don't have to worry too much about, you know, cutting things up too finely, because we're going to be cooking it up, blending it up. So we got some garlic going there as well, clove of garlic. This is a lovely courgette that we've been growing with the Growing Nature Academy. So let's chop that up, chop this bad boy up. Okay, get that in there. Ooh, lovely. There we go. Bit of a courgette. Good to have different colours going in. That's what I would say. Lots of nice different colours. So we've got what we've got. We've got yellow. We've got the white of the onion. We've got yellow, white. We've got, just take the end of that carrot off. We've got orange going in here. Oh, we're going to salt it, of course. Put a bit of salt in. There we go. Got to have your greens, don't you? So we have got dandelion. We've got sage, thyme. We've got rosemary. We've got mint. We've got oregano. And we've got a chilli. Like I say, we're going to blend this up. We're going to go for a bit of bouillon in there. We're going to go for some ground almonds. Ooh, nice creamy soup. Yes, we are. Now the old all you need, we're going to add that at the end, right at the end. There we go. What else have we got? We've got some apple. Now, apple in a soup. You might be saying, apple in a soup? Yes, apple in a soup, I say. Chuck it in. Chuck it in, that'll all cook up. That's cooking up nicely. And tomatoes, finally some tomatoes. Don't want the old bits on here, but chuck them in. Chuck them in. Break them up. Ooh. Break them up. Local tomatoes. Got some homegrown ones going in here as well. Let's get that going. Okay. Gonna simmer that for about 15 minutes and let's come back and see how it is. Okay, so we're back in the game and this has been cooking literally just for 10 minutes. That's all we've given it. We put that boiling water in. I'm going to turn that down. OMG. And the girls have been working really hard at All You Need HQ. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to chuck this in. Now, all of these ingredients, they don't need long to cook, because what did we have? Onions, tomatoes, courgettes, carrots, apple. They don't take long to cook. But what I did do earlier, here's one I prepared earlier. I cooked some beetroot fresh from our garden. Oh my god. Yes, I did. There we go. And as Juliet says, just add the all you need at the end. Fantastic in soups. Add it in at the end. Let's do a couple of them now, because they've been working their socks off and they're hungry. So it's a bit windy. Sorry if it's a bit windy on the old mic, but here we go. Right, blend. Juliet, Maxine, soup's ready.
Thank you, coming.
Right, here we go. Now let me move this out your way. Have a seat, ladies.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, welcome to my restaurant.
Giles's kitchen. Yeah.
Right.
Thank you so
exactly,
much.
that's my pleasure. I know you've been working hard. It's just
Working 9 to 5. What a way to make a living.
I think you work more than 9 to 5, haven't you? Anyway, so so this was made in 15 minutes from start to finish.
Lovely. It's gorgeous.
And it's a bit windy, but that is restaurant quality soup, homemade tomato soup.
Oh, it smells really good. Okay.
I'll see what you think.
Thank you, Giles.
My pleasure.
much.
Here's the taste test.
Oh, that's
Okay.
delicious.
You good?
Absolutely delicious, yeah.
Well
It
done.
is lovely.
Really good.
Thank
Go.
you.
15-minute
Gorgeous.
fresh tomato soup
Packed
from
with
start to
goodness.
finish, packed with incredible nutrients. All the
You can taste
nutrients
that
that you
beetroot.
need. You can taste the beetroot?
Lovely.
Really
Cheers.
good.
That looks like restaurant quality. Thank you so much.